Oh no.
Oh,
And
they
I
drew
pulled it. The Dekemeister.
Go.
Go.
Release.
We're down pretty good right now. I need to come back. Go. See if you can put him close here. Oh! It's got some good pace on it.
It's for par right here for Rubster.
Dude, you ever had a Reuben?
Yeah, really good.
Woo!
It's got to get there.
No, that's going to get there. Oh, you just fucking killed the bird. I slipped.
Scotty Chef there.
No, that's pretty dang good speed there. Alrighty.
Dude, that putt was scary. Dude, it is dead back here, bro. Why did we not play this earlier?
It went in!
Oh no, I pushed it. Oh,
Shiz.
stop it.
Shiz, sit. Win OB. Dropping 3.
Go. Chunked it. Go. Go. Oh, you went right at it. Oh no! Go. Alrighty.
Oh, man.